Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Practice Speaking English series. Today's conversation is all about going to the gym and exercising. A great topic to help you learn everyday fitness vocabulary, practice natural English sentences, and talk confidently about your health and workout habits. Let's join Jake and Liam as they chat about their gym routines, favorite exercises, fitness goals, and how to stay motivated. Hey Liam, you look great lately. Have you been working out regularly?
Thanks, Jake. Yeah, I've been going to the gym about 4 times a week for the past few months.
That's awesome. What got you motivated to start going so consistently?
Honestly, I just wanted to feel healthier and have more energy during the day.
That's a great reason. Exercise really boosts your energy levels.
Exactly. I used to feel tired all the time, but now I actually wake up feeling refreshed.
Nice. So what kind of workouts do you usually do at the gym?
I mix it up. Some days I do weight training, and other days I focus on cardio and stretching.
That's a good balance. I've been trying to add more cardio to my routine too.
Yeah, it helps a lot with stamina and heart health.
What time do you usually go to the gym?
I prefer mornings because it sets a positive tone for the whole day.
Morning workouts are great, but I'm not a morning person at all.
Yeah. It took me a while to get used to waking up early for it.
Do you have a specific workout plan you follow?
Not exactly. I usually start with a warm-up, then target different muscle groups each day.
Oh, like leg day, chest day, and so on.
Exactly. It helps keep the workouts organized and prevents overtraining.
Do you use machines or prefer free weights?
I use both. Machines are great for beginners, but free weights give you more control and better results.
That's true. I like using dumbbells for arm workouts.
Same here. They're simple but really effective.
How long do you usually spend at the gym?
Around an hour to an hour and a half, depending on the workout.
That's a good duration. I usually finish in about 45 minutes.
That's still great if you're consistent. It's all about regular effort.
Do you stretch before and after working out?
Always. Stretching prevents injuries and helps muscles recover faster.
I often forget to stretch, and then I regret it the next day.
Yeah. The soreness can be brutal if you skip it.
Do you listen to music while you work out?
Definitely. I have a playlist full of energetic songs to keep me moving.
Music really makes a difference, doesn't it?
Totally. It helps me stay focused and motivated throughout the session.
What's your favorite kind of workout music?
Mostly upbeat pop and hip-hop tracks. They get me in the zone.
I usually go for rock or electronic music when I'm running.
Nice. Whatever keeps you energized works best.
Do you work out alone or with a friend?
I usually go alone, but sometimes my friend joins me for partner workouts.
That's fun. I think working out with someone helps keep you accountable.
Definitely. You push each other to do better.
Do you follow any specific diet with your workouts?
I try to eat healthy, lots of protein, vegetables, and whole grains.
Yeah. Diet is just as important as exercise.
Exactly. You can't out-train a bad diet, as they say.
Do you take any supplements, like protein shakes?
Sometimes after workouts, it helps with muscle recovery.
I've been meaning to try that too, but I'm not sure which one to buy.
Start simple. A good whey protein is usually enough for beginners.
Good tip. I'll check that out.
Yeah, and don't forget to stay hydrated. Water is key.
True. I tend to forget to drink enough water during workouts.
I always keep a big bottle with me. It helps a lot.
What's your least favorite exercise?
Probably burpees. They're so effective but exhausting.
Oh, I hate those too. I can barely do 10 in a row.
Same here. They make you sweat instantly.
What's your favorite exercise then?
I'd say bench press. It feels powerful and builds upper body strength.
Nice. I like squats. They're tough but really rewarding.
Agreed. Squats are amazing for overall strength.
How do you stay motivated to keep going to the gym?
I set small goals, like lifting a bit heavier or running longer each week.
That's smart. Progress keeps you going.
Exactly, seeing improvement is the best motivation.
Do you track your workouts in an app or journal?
Yeah, I use a fitness app to log my sets, reps, and progress.
That's helpful. I should start doing that too.
Definitely, it helps you stay consistent and focused.
Have you ever joined a fitness class, like spinning or yoga?
Yes, I tried yoga once. It was harder than I expected but really calming.
I've wanted to try yoga for flexibility.
You should. It's great for balance and reducing stress.
Do you go to a big gym or a smaller one?
It's a medium-sized local gym, not too crowded, which I like.
That's perfect. I hate when gyms are packed, especially after work hours.
Same here. That's why I go early in the morning.
Do you ever feel lazy and skip workouts?
Of course, everyone does, but I remind myself how good I'll feel afterward.
That's a good mindset. I usually feel guilty if I skip too many days.
Yeah, once you build momentum, it's easier to stay consistent.
How do you recover after an intense workout?
I stretch, drink lots of water, and sometimes take a relaxing shower or use a foam roller.
I've heard foam rolling helps with soreness.
It really does. It loosens tight muscles and speeds up recovery.
Do you ever go running outside instead of the gym?
Sometimes on weekends, I like running in the park. Fresh air feels great.
Same. Outdoor runs are refreshing, especially in the morning.
Totally agree. It's like therapy for the mind.
Do you track your steps or use a smartwatch?
Yeah, I use one to count calories and monitor my heart rate.
That's cool. Technology really helps with fitness goals.
Absolutely, it keeps me accountable.
How has working out changed your daily life?
I feel more confident, sleep better, and have more focus at work.
That's amazing. Exercise really benefits every part of life.
Exactly. It's not just physical, it helps mentally too.
Do you ever take rest days?
Definitely, rest days are important for muscle recovery.
Yeah. Sometimes I feel guilty for taking a day off, but I know it's necessary.
For sure, overtraining can actually slow progress.
What's your current fitness goal?
I'm trying to build more muscle and improve my endurance.
That's great. I'm focusing on losing some body fat and staying consistent.
Awesome, consistency really is the secret to success.
Do you take gym selfies after your workout?
Haha, sometimes, just to track progress, not to show off.
Fair enough. Progress pictures are great motivation.
Yeah, it's nice to see how far you've come.
Do you ever join gym challenges or competitions?
I joined a 30-day plank challenge once. It was tough but fun.
That sounds cool. I should try something like that to stay motivated.
Totally, friendly competition always helps.
Do you prefer morning or evening workouts?
Morning for sure. It gives me a boost for the rest of the day.
I prefer evenings. It helps me release stress after work.
That's true. It's a great way to unwind too.
Do you follow any fitness influencers online?
Yeah, I watch workout tutorials from Jeff Nippard and Pamela Reif.
Oh, I've seen their videos. Really informative.
Yeah, they make fitness easy to understand for everyone.
How do you handle days when you just don't feel motivated?
I tell myself to just start. Even a short session is better than skipping entirely.
That's true. Starting is the hardest part sometimes.
Exactly. Once you begin, the motivation follows.
What's your favorite post-workout meal?
Grilled chicken with rice and vegetables, simple but nutritious.
Sounds good. I like smoothies with banana and protein powder after a run.
Nice. That's great for recovery.
Do you ever feel nervous trying new exercises?
A bit, yes, but I usually watch someone first or ask the trainer for help.
That's smart. Doing it wrong can lead to injuries.
Exactly. Good form matters more than heavy weights.
Do you ever use the treadmill? Or do you prefer outdoor running?
I use the treadmill on rainy days, but I prefer running outside.
Same here. Outdoor runs feel more natural.
Totally agree. The scenery keeps it interesting.
How do you manage time for workouts with your busy schedule?
I treat it like an appointment, something I can't skip.
That's a good approach. Consistency is key.
Exactly. Even short workouts add up over time.
Have you ever tried group fitness classes?
Yeah, I joined a boot camp once. It was intense, but motivating.
Group workouts definitely push you harder.
For sure, the energy in the room keeps you going.
Do you track your progress with photos or measurements?
Both. It's rewarding to see physical changes.
I agree. The scale doesn't always tell the full story.
Exactly. Strength and energy matter just as much.
Do you ever train outdoors like at a park?
Sometimes, bodyweight workouts like push-ups and pull-ups are great outside.
That sounds fun. I might try that on weekends.
You should. It's a nice change of scenery.
Have you ever injured yourself while working out?
Once, I pulled a muscle because I didn't warm up properly.
Ouch. I learned that lesson the hard way too.
Yeah, now I never skip my warm-up.
What's your favorite piece of gym equipment?
Probably the rowing machine. It's a full-body workout.
Oh, I like that one too. It's great for endurance.
Definitely, it's challenging but effective.
How often do you change your workout routine?
Every 6 to 8 weeks to keep things fresh and avoid plateaus.
That's smart. I tend to get bored doing the same thing.
Same here, variety keeps it interesting.
Do you track your calorie intake?
Sometimes, just to stay aware, but I don't obsess over it.
Yeah. Balance is important, not perfection.
Exactly. Fitness should be enjoyable, not stressful.
Do you notice any difference in your mood after exercising?
Definitely. I feel happier and less stressed afterward.
Same here. Exercise is like natural therapy.
Totally agree. It clears your mind.
Have you inspired anyone else to start working out?
Actually, yes. My brother joined the gym after seeing my progress.
That's awesome. Motivation spreads.
Yeah, it feels great to inspire others.
Do you ever take gym selfies for progress tracking?
Haha, occasionally, just for myself, to see improvement.
That's fair. It's nice to see hard work paying off.
Exactly. It keeps you motivated.
Do you prefer exercising indoors or outdoors?
Indoors for weight training, outdoors for cardio.
Perfect balance. I think that's ideal too.
Yeah, both have their benefits.
How do you celebrate reaching a fitness goal?
I usually treat myself to a nice meal or a new gym outfit.
That's a great reward system.
Haha, yeah. It keeps me motivated to set new goals.
Do you plan to keep this gym routine long term?
Absolutely. It's become a lifestyle now, not just a hobby.
That's inspiring. I want to get to that level too.
You will. It just takes time and consistency.
Thanks, Liam. Talking to you makes me want to hit the gym right now.
Haha, that's the spirit. Let's go together tomorrow morning.
Deal. We'll motivate each other and make it a habit.
Sounds perfect. Fitness is always better with a friend.
Agreed. Here's to a healthier, stronger version of ourselves.
Cheers to that. Let's keep moving and never give up.